Hello guys, so welcome back in this video. This is news analysis series which are helpful for those students who are preparing for the UPSC CSC examination as well as state PCS aspirant. Because of lackness of time, not able to uh, extract a good or appropriate content for as per requirement of the exam. This will be helpful for the mains as well as your prelims examination. So first of all, those topics which are important for the mains as well as your prelims. So this topic here I will just discuss 2 to 3 points, and this PDF will be uploaded on the YouTube channel and you can pick out from there. So these are some important topics which I extract from the Hindu newspaper and also some other website. It will helpful for your current as well as your mains also. So first your slide. This slide is ISRO in last few days. ISRO has conducted one experiment which is related to the satellite. In this experiment, which are known by the docking experiment. Docking experiment is just like we are transferring the equipment as well as important things, one satellite to another satellite. This is called the docking, and India is also the part of that country who are successfully conducted this experiment. So these are your country. One is US, Russia, China, and India is also. So these are 4 countries who have conducted this experiment. Or this technology will also helpful for the future experiment as well as finding a good or important important study about the universe as well as the space related thing. So I will not read this as well as not describing whole. I think sufficient I have told you, and those things which are left from my side you can read it, and this will be helpful for your GS3 as well as your current, and this pin out this slide for your prelims as well as you can as a docking technology maybe in 10 marks ask in the mains examination and GS3 paper. So science and technology you can pin out this thing. One is also your this is the HPV vaccine for this. I will not discuss this because of you can read out, and this is very simply thing. This is only for your content improvement. How can you can read, how to write, and so many things. This is only just a topic. You just need to understand the what is your agenda as well topic and requirement and problems and how to solve the problem. This is just like your topic related problem. Okay, this is not good, and this is not a very helpful, but this will helpful for the your understanding of the content. So once you read out, this is very simply you can complete it, and some data here is also added some data which you can use in your mains exam. Okay, this is also one your science topic, and science topic is very important for the pre as well as your mains. So because of when you study the those article which is related to the science, here you find out the some important terms as well as new terms as well as those terms which are important, also improve your understanding of a particular event or particular thing. This is very helpful, not only examination as well as also from for the other purpose. Yes. This is your international relationship. This is your India, Sri Lanka, and China. This is your international relationship topic, and this will be helpful for the because of Sri Lanka president who visited China, and this is one ties between China and Sri Lanka for Chinese FDI for the oil refinery 3.7 billion Chinese Chinese dollar. So this is just for reading, and I have highlight those points which are important for the examination point of view. This is your economic topic. This is today one important steps which is taken by the RBI. At now the you can use money for the transaction. Our Indian currency you can use as a transaction. You don't need a dollar. And this is a good initiative for improving the economic, which is now you can see our economic condition. As well as this is also one topic. This is only for because of after few days or the public day parade will be organized. So maybe some question will be asked from the which type of helicopter or which type of equipment sold in the parade. So you can just pick out those things. This is your one also prelims question maybe arise from here. So this is your defense minister science contact with the Bharat Dynamic Limited. So those topics which are related to your defense science, economic, or some important institute, which are very important part for the examination. Because of there are sufficient content asking question for mains as well as your prelims, so you can pick out, and you don't need to worry about this topic. I will continue this series uh, day by day, and you can take help from this side. If you have any query, you can write down, and you can ask me at any time. Okay, this is one topic also. Maybe this will because of your Mizoram BK Singh. This is the governor of Mizoram. This is just last. This is very recent news. So you can this topic I just here uh, pin up because of you can you can make understanding about a particular topic, which topic helpful as well as which topic or not, because of those news which are related to the central as well as those initiative taken by the central for states also important, and it will be taken by it will be understood by you step by step when you practice and you uh, spending sufficient time there. One news is also Indonesian president to be the chief guest on Republic Day. So this on this Republic Day, our chief guest will be Indonesian president. So you can you can read it also, because of this is only for highlighted news also. So I will tell you how to read, how to write pinpoint on a one paper sheet, because of about 20 to 22 page, not easy to mugging or also understandable to you, and initial stage also not good to the cover of whole thing. But I will tell you how to summarize whole paper in one A4 size sheet. It will be helpful, as well as you can um, revision, you can revise it very frequently. So this is just your this is my first video. Maybe some mistake will be in this video, but I am also just as a learner, so step by step I also learning with you. So this will helpful for you, because I am practicing and you are learning from myself. It would be helpful for you. And this is your one also Supreme Court related news, because of your this is Chief Justice Chandran, who was formerly Chief Justice of the Patna High Court, who, who is appointed as a Supreme Court judge. So this is your our some our own level Supreme Court in some vacancy, some vacant seat or were not fulfilling. So this is a initiative by the judiciary system and by the collegium resolution. These are fulfilling. So this is, you can pin up this or highlight or headline. And one is also your important. Singapore to help India semiconductor industry. Singapore is our very helpful country for the semiconductor industry, and some initiative also taken by the both country, and how can be a good manufacturing center for the world, and how can we reduce the dependency on China as some other country who are manufacturing the semiconductor devices. So this is good step for the India, and also it will helpful for the generating your employment as well as new technology or export also, and this will helpful for the economic condition. But for this we have to taken good decision, good decision as well as good good and sufficient technology and time and skills also required. Your one is also editorial. Editorial is very interesting as well as very important part. I like very much, because of you can practice. At least you are not reading any book or any content. You just continue your practice of for reading. This will helpful for improving your English as well as your content, and you can speak any topic anyway, because of daily about 5 to 6 editorial in a week has been printed. Those are very well educated person, so it will helpful, and you can understand also. This is one, this is written by the Prime Minister of Denmark, former Prime Minister of the Denmark. So this is your this topic I am not discussing here. I am just giving you the title. This topic is your related to the international relationship. You can read it, and some pinpoint which are important for the mains as well as your essay writing. You can use in these point for the answer writing purposes. Okay. This is your this topic, Great Anniversary of Peace Initiative, Role for India. So this topic I read out, and this is just for how can peace we can uh, establish in the world, and what is the role of India as well as your Western country. Uh, so this is for that, and this is just for that topic which I discussed in first slide. The gates in the sky. This is our docking technology or docking method. One is also your PM approved constitution of 8th Pay Commission. So 8th Pay Commission is the government initiative um, for those who are government of India employer and pensioners. This will helpful for those about 50 lakh union government employees as well as 65 lakh pensioners. So this commission would be this commission would be established very soon, and it will anything related it uh, I will discuss in later days, and this series will be, I hope it would be helpful for you and those who are preparing for any state as well as UPSC. From my side, you need any help, I will try to help you, and if you have any problem you can write down in comment section. I will give you the best or appropriate solution, whatever from my side. This series will not be stopped. If any emergency cases, maybe not uploaded the video, but I will try to continue this daily. And also after some time I am thinking about solving the CSET question for those students who are preparing, and also not a mathematical background, not only mathematical background, those students who are not from the science background. I discuss this topic from the non-technical background, who are facing to understand the very little numeric concept as well as numeric problem. I hope it would be helpful for those, and after some time that series will also continue, and I hope it would be helpful for you and you can gain a good score in your exam. So thank you very much. I hope your preparation will be good. Thank you very much.